Hey, it's Raj's cooking. Welcome. Oh, welcome. Yes, it's Raj, isn't it? Oh, long see, no time. I haven't been here for a little while. I've been, traveling the world trying to be the food connoisseur. But I'm back tonight. Yes, like the Slim Shady. Raj is back again. I'm gonna cook for you. There's a lot of cooking shows on Snapchat, but only few have the Raj fucking touch, if you know what I mean. So my inbox has been getting flooded with requests. I was actually flooding my wife's inbox quite a fair bit in the last few weeks, but yeah, now she'll not let me go anywhere near. But another story. Yes, people say, Raj, we miss your cooking. We want you to cook more. They said, give us a curry, Raj, give us a curry. It's like, you racist fucks. Just because I'm from India doesn't mean Raj doesn't like a good old American hot dog. So tonight, Raj is cheating a bit. Raj doesn't cheat that often. Just for my wife, no. Bitter satay. Nothing like a bit of sticky peanut butter. So if you haven't watched Raj before, I'm Raj Maharangana. Yeah, it's hard to spell. I fucking had trouble writing that in school. I finished school in grade 5. We lived in Mumbai. It was fucking dirty fucking shitball, dust ball shit. But since moving to Australia, I am here to bring you some great food. We're gonna have chicken satay with a bit of rice. Pretty fucking quick if you're a busy woman in these times of busy women. Anyway, first off. Okay, first thing. Oh fuck, what happened there? First thing, my mama always told me, Raj, always wash your hands before cleaning because cleanliness is next to godliness. Also, she used to watch me, I'd play with my nuts a lot and sweaty in Mumbai. So we give that a good washing. Oh, fuck. Foot is fucking up like fucking Prince Edward Charles, whatever his name is, playing with fucking young ladies. Not on Edward. Andrew? Andrew. Yes, Andrew. Okay. Now we got the hands clean. I've already prepared. I already cut the chicken. I've already cut it up, so get yourself some chicken satay. Not very good with the cow, with the beef. So what I do now, I've got my rice ready. 1 cup. It's only Raj and his wife. He doesn't eat a lot unless it's white penis. Raj humor. Oh, anyway, we got your chicken. I cheat tonight. I can't be fucked doing peanut satay from the start. So I bought a $2.50. Cheaper than fucking making it your own. Anyway, come with me. I'll show you the rice cooker. Okay, now you can cook in a saucepan. I like to use what I call R2D2. Yes, Raj loves Star Wars. We had no cinema in Mumbai. I had to wait till I came out here, and I was 32 before I saw fucking Star Wars. I saw the whole series. Anyway, okay, what we gotta do here is add your rice. There we go. 1 cup of that. Okay, so I get that, and now, when you do rice, I always do 1 cup, maybe 1.5 to 2 cups of the water. Because you gotta put water to absorb. So I've already put 1 cup because I'm cheating here. Okay, we put the lid down on R2. He's all plugged in. And you'll see here it says keep warm and cock. Now you get the cock and you push it down. Cock. Is that cock? Cook. Fucking Raj can't read. I need my bifocals. Okay. Next thing is to cook the chicken like Colonel Sanders did, but without the fucking herb and spice. That guy made a lot of money. I heard he was 60-something before he even started. So it just shows you can make money when you're old fuck. Anyway, I've got the pan on. Different. We used to cook over a hole back in Mumbai, get it all hot because we were very poor. And then when we finish, we shit in the hole. So curry does that to you. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, we have to brown the chicken. This is how we brown the chicken. You only want to do this you don't want to get it too tough because then no one fucking appreciates your cooking. Unless you don't want to cook and then you fuck it up and then no one ever asks you to cook again. But that's a bit sneaky. My daddy used to do that a lot. The lazy fucker he was. Okay, next step, you get your jar, you open it up. Fucking hell! Who the fuck put the fucking lid on? I'm strong, but... Marenka, come here. Can you please open this? Hi, everyone. There you go, Raj. You cooking? I'm just going for a shower. Wow. She got the lid off. She's showing off to everyone here. That's Marenka, my wife, for 20 years. I'm thinking maybe she is going to gym with that hot instructor and learning some muscles because I was thinking he was boning her, but maybe she's got some muscle and take the peanut butter lid off. That's just what I was thinking, you know. You're driving to work and thinking, I bet she's fucking someone. Oh, I spat. Make sure it's not in anyone's plate. Okay, you can see it's really fucking steaming here. We have it under the boil. Oh, look at the sauces just pouring in over the chicken. Betty, that chicken never thought fucking he'd be covered in peanut butter one day, but that's nice, isn't it? Sorry, vegans? I don't know how you do it. I gotta love my little bit of fucking carnivores. Okay, I use a spoon because I like to get every last drop out of it. That's not the only thing. I always tell Marenka, keep going, get every last drop. Don't waste not one nut, you know? So, oh, it's smelling very peanut butter. Do not lick the spoon, you'll fucking give yourself diarrhea tomorrow morning. You look very much like this, but it comes right out of your ass like a tap. Oh yes, Raj always likes to have a bit of a dance. Oh yeah, but, you know, have fun when cooking. I always say, do not be too serious. So I go, why so serious? What a damn fucking joker. Anyway, I'll let you see, this is fucking done. Like I said, very, very quick. I turn the camera. Look at that, it looks like chicken korma. Good way to trick my fucking Indian friends. I give them a bit of satay and I think they're getting butter chicken. Butternut, it's, yes, and the rice is cooking. Oh, back here to me, rice is cooking. When that's ready, it'll tell me, pretty much done. I get Marenka to do the dishes because that's her job in the kitchen. She come clean and make me a sandwich. Okay. Raj will be back a little later. I should get a drink. I should get a beer. Yeah, but I should get a beer. Always have a drink. I always, you know, relaxes the muscles. Like young Ho Chi Mi at the massage place earlier today, she really, you know, eased off the muscle on Raj. Anyway, okay, I'll show you the plate later when it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Oh, thank you for joining Raj. Raj is finished. Look at this. Satay rice. There's a fucking lot there, but Raj only eats once a day. I know people say, Raj, you should graze like cow. You know, bit here, bit there. But I took this girl out back in Mumbai when I first started dating. She ate like a fucking cow. I ate. Fucking did all of Raj's money. I came to Australia with no money. I'm now making some, you know, from cooking. Oh, gotta be a cheers to the fucking Monday. I drink to that. Yeah. Oh, what's that noise? Turn the music down. I like a bit of Bollywood. What's that noise? Oh, Raj farted. Should never do that, kids at the table. It's very fucking naughty. I often got my ass tanned by my father for doing that. But curry, gassy. Can't blame anyone but the curry. Anyway, Marenka, you gonna have some of this? Yes. I cook for her. She does a few things for me. So anyway, hey Marenka, have some. Oh, very good. Very good, lad. Marenka, very rude. What has everyone said? We've got kids here. Kids, do not talk with your mouth full. I mean, you must have been told that. Marenka, you've been told that lots of times by me. Especially when my dick is in your mouth. Another Raj joke. Yes, Raj, that's correct. Anyway, everyone, thank you for tuning into Raj's Cooking. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back sometime. Drink to that too. I'm Raj. Thank you.